Hello teacher, good evening. My name is Giovanni Cruz Pilla. In this short presentation, I am going to explain about the components of a lesson plan. It is a pleasure to share with the Magister Fabian Paredes, who is the teacher for this subject. Let's start. First of all, what is a lesson plan? A lesson plan is a container of content, academic objective that the student need to complete a lesson. Before carrying out a lesson, it is necessary to consider all the parameters such as students' level of competence, skills, learning style, and content. What about the components of a lesson plan? The first one is description of the student. It means the informative data. In the informative data, I consider a school name, theme, date, grade, class length, proficiency level, lesson plan designer, and section. All these parameters must be considered in this part. In other words, this component is very specific way of detailing. In addition, aims and objectives are writing starting with a verb in the infinitive form. They must be specific, okay? So in my real picture again, I write in the first picture 3 objectives and in the second one only 2. It depends on you, but the idea is that the objectives are well structured. The format could be different. It depends. Moreover, procedures, okay? In the procedure, you need to include all the methods and strategy. For example, when I was doing this practice, I consider audiolingual, total physical response, and communicative language teaching. In the strategy, I consider individual and group work. In other words, this is the methodology that you are going to use or follow in your class. In fact, it's necessary to use extra material or technological tools. Okay, consider this part. Anticipated problems, extra materials to be used are component of a lesson plan. Of course, in the anticipated problem, you need to write the main information in order to answer the question or doubt of your students. In this table, you need to write the teacher and student activity, success indicator, and the aims of the stage. What about extra material? You need to use flip charts, picture, video, magazine, article, realia, etc. Okay, didactic materials. You could use flashcard, picture, worksheets. Okay. Success indicator. Okay, another component of a lesson plan. It is called evaluation. Okay, you can evaluate your student by asking some question or activities that they complete during their class. Okay, in my real picture, I wrote the main question that I asked my student. The answers were very good. I didn't have problem with them. Okay, in the case of homework further work, this part is completed by the teacher, and here they detail what they have in mind beyond the actual lesson. Okay, this component is located in the last part of your lesson plan. Right. In this presentation, I paste 3 different lesson plan or format. Okay, but if you know it, they have the same structure. For example, they have assessment materials, aims, objectives, date, time, number of students, structure activities, additional possibilities, etc. Okay. However, they could be different because it depends on the Ministry of Education of each country. But the structure of your lesson plan needs to be the same. Okay. Well, teacher, I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you very much.